Health administration, it's a professional degree that prepares students for management opportunities within the healthcare industry. Human resources is pretty much in the same ballpark, except we're dealing with the management of people within organizations in any industry.
I was really interested in working in healthcare, and I thought being at a Jesuit university would be a really good place to pursue that career.
I think going to a Jesuit school has really impacted my education because we focus on, being men and women for others.
It's a service industry, and every day we have to constantly be thinking about the ultimate goal of healthcare is to serve people. It's to take care of people, which really aligns super well with the Jesuit values.
So for the health admin undergrad program, you also have a minor in business when you come in as a health administration major. I chose to also minor in human resources just because it incorporates a lot of things that you need to know for our healthcare administrator.
A student who is interested in human resources has the unique opportunity to work with faculty here at the university that have not only been trained in theory, but we're also practitioners and we've been in the field.
The teachers really bring great experience with them into the classroom.
Myself, I was the CEO of a hospital for 26 years.
There's a lot of one-on-one contact with the students. There's a lot of interaction between student to student, faculty to student.
So the real-life examples that they bring have been really helpful to the students.
Especially for human resource management, where you're learning to work and manage people. It's important to understand how to bridge the gap, per se, between theory, which is our textbook knowledge, and what really happens in the workplace.
Our community-based learning offers them the opportunity to take what they've learned in the classroom and give back to the community.
And those classes teach you things about, the business world and human resource that you wouldn't think of in the traditional sense.
I think the other unique aspect of our program is our accelerated program, where they can obtain their master's degree in a much shorter time. The most gratifying experiences that I've had with students is when they call you back and they tell you how valuable what they learned in your classroom was and how it's helped them in their current career.